When we talk about 2021 tax year, there are quite a few changes this year.
Tanvir, thanks for joining me on the video call today. I know you're very close to tax changes and always totally on top of new things that are happening with the IRS, and you're all over the bulletins. I wanted to ask you, what do our people need to know for doing their taxes for 2021?
When we talk about 2021 tax year, there are quite a few changes this year, but let's focus on a top 10 list and see what's different and how that will affect an expat living or outside the US. When we talk about the main factor which we look at for expat is the exclusion that's adjusted to the inflation every single year. For this year, for 2021, it's gone up just a little bit. Now it's about $108,700 for a full year expat.
And this is the foreign earned income exclusion, right?
That is correct. That's the foreign earned income exclusion is with $108,700.
Okay.
That's the maximum an expat can get in a year. On top of that, there's housing exclusion as well, depending on the city they live in. The main deductions which you see on an expat tax return.
Has the housing exclusion increased for many cities around the world, or is it pretty much what it has been for the last few years?
That's pretty much the same last few years, but we were still waiting for the IRS to issue the publication or circular on the new expense list. So far, it's still the same as last year.
And you said the foreign earned income exclusion. Did you say it's $108,700?
It is $108,700, just adjusted to inflation. Number two is always the standard deduction, which is a little higher than last year. So last year we had $24,800. It's gone up by $300 for a married filing jointly, which means $25,100 for married filing joint. And for single taxpayers, it's $12,550. And if somebody files out of a household tax return, then it's $18,800.
All right. So our single filers, it's gone up by $150 extra standard deductions.
You can go with $150 per person. So jointly, it's $300.
Each filing status there sounds like it's got a slight increase.